They're the sounds that give the music its unique flavor and its incredible emotional depth.
And here's where you can really see the difference. A Western musical octave is split into 12 distinct steps, or semitones. But the ancient Tamil system that Panditha was studying, it used 22 shrutis. That's a way more detailed, more complex system. And for a long, long time, nobody could agree on the exact math behind it.
So you might be asking, why all the fuss over these tiny little musical intervals? Well, for Panditha, proving the math behind the 22 shrutis wasn't just some academic hobby. This was his life's work. It was about proving the genius of an entire cultural and intellectual legacy that he was terrified was being forgotten. So how did he do it? I mean, how does one person even begin to prove the scientific foundation of an ancient art form? Well, it all came down to his incredibly methodical process.
You know, his approach was actually super modern. He was like a forensic investigator, digging through old Tamil literature, searching for any and every clue about music. Then, he'd apply these strict mathematical formulas to figure out the exact frequency of each shruti. And finally, he wrote it all down, documenting everything with unbelievable care.
And I'm not kidding when I say unbelievable care. This number really says it all. 1,346. That's how many pages are in the first volume alone. This wasn't just a book, it was a testament to sheer scholarly grit.
And his vision for this was global. By publishing the book in both Tamil and English, Panditha was making a statement. He wasn't just writing for his colleagues in India, he was building a bridge to the rest of the world, making sure this ancient knowledge could be understood by anyone, anywhere.
So after all that incredible work, what was the payoff? What kind of impact did this ocean of music actually have once it was out in the world? In the end, the book itself was the solution. Just like its subtitle says, it was a treatise on music on shrutis. Panditha didn't just want to add to the conversation, he wanted to end the debate. And by laying out all the evidence, the history, the literature, the math, all in one place, he pretty much did. So what's the big takeaway here? Well, the Karunamirtha Sagaram finally laid out the complex theory of the 22 shrutis, give it a solid mathematical foundation, and in doing so, saved a vital piece of cultural history. It became an essential foundational text for anyone studying music history and theory from then on. And you know, looking at a weathered library copy like this one, over 100 years later, it's just such a powerful symbol of one person's passion for knowledge. It's a profound reminder that a single, focused investigation can protect an idea for generations to come. Panditha spent his life decoding just one small corner of ancient wisdom. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? How many other oceans of knowledge are out there, just sitting in old books on dusty shelves, waiting for someone to come along and bring them back into the light?